Hi everyone and welcome back to the Dev Portal. In the final part of our series on final keywords in Java, today we are going to talk about final classes, which cannot be inherited by any other class. A final class is a class that cannot be extended by any other class. This is useful when we want to ensure that a class implementation should remain consistent and cannot be modified by the subclasses. Let's see an example. First, I will create one class suppose parent, and inside this class I will create one method void show, and I will add sysout statement. This is a parent class show method. Let me save. Now to make this class final, I need to use one keyword final before the class. So final I will write, and now I will try to access this show method from the main method. So for that I need to create the object of parent class, parent obj equal to new parent, and I will call obj.show. Till now there is no issue in our code, it will work fine. You can see in the console it is printing this is a parent class show method. Now what I will do, I will create another class which will be the subclass of parent class. It means that class will try to extend the properties of the parent class. So I will type class child, and I will use extends keywords to extend the property, to inherit the property of parent class, and that's it. Now we will see that what error it will generate in the console while compilation. So I came to the CMD. This is the path where my file is present. Now I will try to compile the code. So I need to write java c main. Main is the file name .java. Java is the extension. It is compiling the code, and you can see it is generating the error cannot inherit from final parent. As parent is the final class, we cannot inherit the properties of the parent class here. So final classes are typically used when we want to prevent anyone from altering the structure of the class throughout the inheritance. For example, the string class in Java is marked as final to ensure its behavior is consistent and optimized. Let me show you. So let me open the string class, and you can see here it is public final class string. So string is a final class which they have implemented. That's it for our discussion on final classes. We have covered all the uses of final keyword, final variable, final method, and final classes. If you found this series helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Java tutorials right here in the Dev Portal.